I don't know what goes into what. Oh shoot, we didn't even paint those. Take them off. Take them off. Yeah. How did I do that? Double-sided tape.
Bro, these are on good.
I know.
These are on really good. Let's just tape it off.
Here.
I'm gonna get a copy, okay? You got that? I'll be right back, okay?
June.
Okay, be right back. Alright.
The baby leaves at the randomest, not to leave times.
Yeah. He's on all the time they need for it. Look at the barking. The only marks will go. Easy. Easy.
Bro, this is. Ah! Ah! I got it. Alright. Are you sure? My name is Doji with 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes and 1 nose, and 1 mouth and 10 teeth.
10 teeth. Just 10 teeth.
Wait, is that a lot?
10 teeth. That's like 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom.
That's so true. Did I stutter? That? Oh, shoot. Yeah. That good? Like that? Close it?
Yeah, close it. Oh, dude. Oh, dude.
Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Oh.
You can never go wrong with black. You gonna get Will soon, Bailey?
Yeah, now I have to. Look, shit.
Bumper. Watch the bumper.
Bro, that looks so sick, bro. That looks so sick. Honestly, that looks so sick. Ah, dude, I almost passed out.
Oh my god.
Bro, that looks so freaking sick.
Yo, that looks freaking sick.
This would be perfect.
You know, if you think this looks nice, I wonder what the rear would look like.
Yeah.
Cause the rear has an 1.5 inch bigger lip than the. Yo, imagine this thing rolling like this. Oh. Imagine drifting it, bro. Imagine you're doing anything. Imagine going to the store. Imagine going to the store in this at nighttime, and at daytime, at in the evening, in the morning, bro. So we're getting into the motion of him selling me the Vishnus. I don't know how we're doing it. Monthly payment or no, I'm just kidding. Obviously it was a joke. I'm gonna actually pay all one time. And then we're gonna go to order tires. Amazon next day shipping, and then by tomorrow I should have it all good. I got unmotivated with these wheels since I sold the car to Bailey, and I was just gonna let them sit, but the fronts have like the perfect fitment, so I want to see what the rears are gonna look like with the 7-inch lips. So I'm gonna go take this wheel apart, throw the 7-inch lip on real quick so we can just see what it looks like on the car, and make Bailey jealous. Now I won't be really jealous. I'm really gonna buy them for me. But I put them all in. Look how freaking sick that is. That's freaking wide as hell.
That looks super nice. Okay, now smile. You smile.
Stop it. No, stop it. This is $250. This is $250 right now. I'm giving it to him. I'm giving it to him $50 for this one, and then
the other I choose $100.
And the other faces I chose $100 to pay him. So yeah, and then I think the last one I choose. So I have no idea. One is good. Look at how perfect this is. This fitment is so perfect. We did the right specs, I swear.
Oh, they're here. You're here too? Yeah. Wait, don't close your eyes. Don't look at it till you get over there. Okay. Come on, come look.
I know. You can see.
Hi, Shashi.
Look at this.
I know.
Look at that.
I know, I see it.
Look at that.
Looks sick.
Hi.
Look at that.
That actually looks sick. Is that your rims?
No, that's my wheels.
You should paint that little yellow part right there.
Wow, you didn't even say hi.
Oh, what is that transfer? What is that transfer?
Look at how sick that looks.
What's up, guys? Oh, hot boys over here.
You need to cut your hair.
Oh my gosh.
Sick.
Try, cause look at the other side. But dude, it looks so sick.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Actually, that.
Just gotta work on the other side. The other side just needs work.
Yeah, no, we didn't put the wheels on this side yet. That's why.
Nico's.
Yeah. Christine, it makes your car look so plain.
That's what we
It
just said to
does.
earlier.
It makes it look like my car needs to be more wide.
And then I told Christine.
Or
like,
more
yeah.
shiny or something,
Yeah.
you know? Like
Brad, look at your car.
I know it's freaking sick. Freaking beige. Are you freaking fricker?